Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fadhila Shohwatul Islami, and in this video I will present a research article entitled Problems and Solutions of the Hybrid Learning English Teacher's Perspective. This journal was written by Christophorus Lumen Aviantoro and Christina Eli Indriani and published in the Journal of English Language Teaching and Linguistics in 2025. Alright, now first I will explain the research problem. The research problem is located in the sentence. What problems do teachers face in hybrid learning for the English business communication classes? And then second, what solutions have teachers implemented to overcome these problems in hybrid learning for the English business communication class? So I choose this as the research problem because these sentences are directly written as research questions and they guide the focus of the study. Next, I will explain the research objective. The research objective is located in the sentence. For that reason, the research is important to provide insight to teachers regarding the problems and solutions of English classes, especially with hybrid learning methods in real class settings. So I identify this as the objective because it clearly explains the purpose of the study, which is to give practical insight to teachers. Now let's move to the research novelty. The research novelty is located in the sentence. It can be clearly seen that the previous studies mostly focus on the problems in hybrid learning and its factors, student engagement in hybrid learning, and evaluation of hybrid teaching learning at the university level. However, solutions and best practices reported in the literature or based on teachers' experiences have not been explored to provide a reference for the teachers, such as the types of class activities, assessment, and technological tools that were shown effective in hybrid instruction. So I consider this as the novelty because it shows the research gap and highlight what makes this study different from previous studies. Now let's move to the literature review. So the literature review is located in the sentence. Only 5 related theories were adapted. The theories contain some aspects where problems occur in hybrid learning. Those are classroom planning, student engagement, interaction or communication, technology use, assessment, and language skill teaching. So I choose this because these parts are identified as theories because they explain the theoretical foundation used in the study. Now let's move to the research design. So the research design is located in the sentence. In order to achieve the objectives, this case study employed a qualitative approach. I choose this because it directly states that the method used and qualitative case study is suitable to explore experiences in depth. Now let's move to the research participant. The research participants is located in the sentence. The participants of this study were 2 teachers of English Business Communication Training Program in Growth Path by Cognizy supported by Gramedia Academy. This is the participant section because it explains how it's involved and shows that they have the relevant experience in hybrid learning. Now let's move to the research instrument. The research instrument is located in the sentence. The instrument used in this study was in a depth interview. I identify this as the research instrument because it explains how the data were collected and interviews provide detailed information. Now move to the data analysis. The data analysis is located in the sentence. The data obtained were processed through several steps. First, the audio recordings were transcribed and translated into English. Then the translation results were organized using thematic coding methods. This is the data analysis because it explains how the data were processed and categorized systematically. And then last, let's move to the references. For the references, is here. There are 22 journal of scientific articles, 1 website, and 0 books. So I categorize it in this way because most of the sources come from journal articles with only 1 website and no books. This shows that the study is supported mainly by research-based and credible sources, especially academic journal. So, based on the analysis, we can see that the study is well structured, study from clear research problems until systematic data analysis, and it also offers practical insight for teachers in hybrid learning. So that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.